to go live on TikTok, live on everything, just about. There we go. Let's get it going. Today, talking about the stocks. We're talking about the cryptos today. Light it up a little bit. Let me come down a little bit on this. Ah, yeah, there we go. Now we're looking good. All right, let's get it going. If you're on YouTube, I'm taking questions off of taking questions on TikTok. And we are moving. All right, first things first, the markets really quick. If you did not know, they are up today. We are up 1.8%. If you want to know how the markets climb 1%, 1.8, 1.5, you take the VIX, you divide it by 616, and that's what you get. You get 1.18. Boom. That's how high the markets can go. That's how low the markets can dip. That's how you use the VIX. Right. So if you did not know that, now you do. All right. Why it's 16? I still have no idea why it's 16. I don't care. You just follow the math. What's hitting hard today? Everything. If you're in crypto, you got to look at Crows looking good. Nexo 8%. HBAR 7%. FTT continues its run. That is FT. That's FTX. It's Sam Bankman-Fried. That's FTX coin. YFI, Yearn is up, H&T's up 5, looking good on, everything's up. If we look at the net inflows on crypto, here's what you want to know. Here's what people are buying. The one-day buys going from USD, USDT. Something's going on, guys, because when you start looking at these flows, there's some flows going to USDT from the US. It's only 63 million, but USDT was used for 3.1 billion transactions today alone, right? Then you look what's going from Europe, and it's like 63 million. And then from other exchanges, it's below 50. So USDT just funds everything. It's crazy how that works. So that's telling me a lot of whales. All right, so the buy flow, 1.6 billion is going into Bitcoin. 1.3 billion is going into Ethereum. All right, the smaller coins. Solana today has 136 million moving into it. BNB has 358 million. Cardano, $373 million have already moved into Cardano in the last 24 hours. 300 million has moved into Luna. Matic, 173 million in the last 24 hours. Theta's making a move, guys. You need to look at Theta. Theta is trying to make a move here. Theta at 40 million. Doge, 43 million. Shiba at almost 100 million has moved in. So just letting you know. Also, a lot of USDT running straight to Cardano. That to me is telling me a lot of the whales, a lot of the more sophisticated investors are going straight to Cardano. Wanted to let you know that. Now let's go to the net flow. So this is the outflows versus the inflows, right? And so what's the net of that? Well, Bitcoin is up 173 million today. BUSD is up 100. Cardano's up 20 million. CLH, I'm not sure what that is. It's 7. AVAX is 13. Ethereum's up 186. That's divided equally between USDT and USD. And KRW, BNB doing well. Matic 21. So point is that so that's the 1 day. I'll do the 3 day as well, but you want to watch the 3 day and the weekly, right? So because you pay for the 3 day, and that's what's moving markets right now. So I'm not going to do the three day, but I can if you guys want me to. What's moving? What cryptos are moving on Reddit? Here's the biggest ones on Reddit right now. Of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. Link is number 4. 5 is SNT, which is what is SNT? Oh, I forget. But Algo's 5, Solana 6, Crow is number 7, Karma is number 8, Matic, Poly, and then Loop Ring, and Phantom is 10. So, and then Cosmos, again, all the ones you want to see as far as stocks go. Trying to figure out which the social on the stocks. Give me a second here. Market sentiment, stocks being talked about. Peloton, number one, and it's not even close, being talked about the most. Microsoft, FAD, GameStop, Tesla's 5, ASHX. I'm not sure what that is. ARK-K is also. Watch the ARK-K squeeze, by the way. Kathy Wood's in real trouble, but it looks like there could be a squeeze coming. There's a lot of short selling going on ARK-K. You know how I've played that. I took half my money out, and it continues to dive down. I hope that short squeeze comes in maybe the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I don't know when that's going to happen. I think the higher interest. In fact, let me look at the high short interest on ARK. The high short interest is what you want to look at, and the ETF does not have that on Elite FinViz. Now, I'm not sure where I could find that on TradingView either. Let me look at really quick. Let me look at ARK-K here and see if I can get ARK-K stock here. It is. Let me see if I can get anything. It's a sell on the technicals. The range is at a high range today. It looks like it's up slightly today. Up slightly today. So I'm not getting a short. I need the high short interest on that. I think that there's a website called High Short Interest I used to use. High Short Interest. Might have been .com or something. Yeah, there it is. All right, so CRTX is your number one. It's been number one. 57% of those shares are shorted. ICPT. Let me see if I don't see ARK-K on the first page. So, and it's mostly NASDAQ stocks. Remember, the reason the market's going down right now, guys, or the NYSE and especially the NASDAQ going down is because the American exchanges are heavily technology. That's why China has stopped going down. It's coming up like this. Brazil stopped going down. It's coming like this. So you might look at emerging markets, right? Again, I give you stocks all the time to look at. And let me give you a few of those stocks right now that you can look at that are doing good. Here we go. I know some of these aren't sexy. Railroads. Look at CVX. Look at any energy company is going to be doing well. Look at COP. Look at DVN. Look at FANG. Look at MRO. Try to look at the banks. We're doing well until about last week, and now they've kind of turned down. Healthcare. CVS. You want to look at the CVS pharmacy. CVS is killing it right now. It's doing this, continues to do this. Boom. Get on it. What else are we looking at today? Looks like all the mega caps are well up. 2%. Google's 2%. Tesla's up 4% today. Congratulations if you're in on Tesla. Phenomenal. All right, so if we're looking at Tesla, let me let you know where the resistance is. The resistance is at basically 1100. It's actually about 1112, but let's just call it 1100-ish is where you're going to hit the resistance. You're hitting resistance now because you've got to work up above. So you're at 1039. At 1051, you're hitting the 20-day. Sorry, that's a 50-day, and then at 1068, you're going to hit the 20-day. So don't expect much more out of Tesla today. You're probably going to get another 1-2% max here, just because that 50-day looms large. Now, if it can bust that 50-day, I don't know if it will. Again, that 50-day has been holding off Tesla for really the past 4 days. It busted at one time, but it came right back down underneath it. So watch the 50-day on that. The relative strength seems to be very, very good. I would tell you the insider transactions are not good, but that's all because Musk had to sell. Hello, what's up? Good to see you guys. Glad you're here for the Monday morning. Monday morning, the Thursday morning. I've got a funeral tomorrow, guys, so I'm going to be out of the office tomorrow. Wanted to look at coins. All right, coins that are. We look at coins that are being most searched for, right? Most visited coins on all right. Here it is. ARV, King Forever, KFR, Cat Girl. Number 3 still. Cat Girl. Guys, I know. So what's going on with the Cat Girl? Bitcoin's 13. Coco Swap is still in the top 10. Cardano's number 16. Shiba's number 18. And Ethereum's number 19. Wonderland Time is number 20. If I haven't told you about that story, we are out of Wonderland Time. It looks like it's failed. It is down 92%. And I believe Olympus is close to 90% down. So that is what we're looking at now off of that. All right, if you're into NFTs, I'm about to give you 2 tools that you want to use to swipe NFTs, right? Here we go. This is what the real professionals who are making real money in NFTs use. They use Rarity.tools. Rarity.tools. You want to use that one. But the better one and the one that all the professionals use is called icy.tools. icy.tools. You do have to pay for it. Here's the deal. Here's what it does. It gives you the floor. It gives you the floor and then how much that NFT has moved. What's up, Eric? Good to see you, brother. But it gives you the floor, how much it's moved in the past week, past couple days. But if you really want to know how to snipe, you got to pay for the 1 hour and you got to pay for the 1 day. So gas is up at 139, by the way, right now. So I believe that's per ETH. I think that's how they calculate that. All right, OpenSea. If you haven't watched the videos look at Bella Dow, BELLEDAO. That she seems to be killing it right now. She was a top one. One of the ones I'm looking at that's been verified now, but I don't think it's been audited yet, is the Crypto Miner Club. In fact, I'm going to refresh this really quick and see exactly kind of where we're at here. Come on. But this is the one that has real utility. If you buy the NFT, you get payouts per month, per week, right? So let's just say if you buy the ASIC Miner S NFT, you're going to get paid out $50 a week for $200 a month, right? And right now, the ASIC Miner, what did I say, the ASIC Miner S? Let me see if I can find one there. ASIC Miner X, which is the same as the S, is going for 0.06 ETH, which is about, I'm believing that's, what is 0.06 ETH? 0.1 would be about 300. So about 168, I believe, 188. Price is starting to go up. So people are starting to notice these, and you can get big. You can go real big too. If you wanted to go, gosh, what would be one like a full ASIC miner, which would get you ASIC Miner Pro X would get you $200 a week, and then pay you $800 monthly. Clearly, that's how that works, right? So I'm still bullish on that, but I don't want to. I'm not saying it's a rug pull, but you need to be careful there. I bought 2 of those. I'm not talking my own book. I really do like it if it's the real deal, right? So all right, for the week, what's showing relative strength in crypto? FTT, DCR, Decreed, Theta is right there. Theta, I'm telling you guys. Nexo, Secret. I need to learn more about Secret. Cardano's at 12% for the week. It was at 30. Loopring is now down 21% for the week. It's not good. And Sand's down 10. So AR is down 10. That's a top 10 hedge fund stock. So a lot of good things. If you guys are looking for, not sure where the entire audience has gone, because I've only got one eyeball here. It looks like I'm losing connection on Wi-Fi, so that might be why. So all right, well, with that being said, there's not too many people on here. I'm gonna jump off. Look at I'm also streaming on YouTube as well. If you got any questions, ask me now, because I'm about to jump off this thing. If there's not enough people going to watch in the morning, I'll be back here about 2 o'clock. Typically, we get up to 100. We are around 40 to 50 in now at 2 o'clock. We talk about the markets. We talk about crypto, just what we're doing here. I will tell you what's printing for me per the markets right now. Crude. USL, I got a 30 call on. I'm about to put another 30 call on. I think, I just think it's a, I think crude might be going to 100, right? So that's what I think. Just our rules here. If you don't know me, again, there's only 2 of you watching right now. I keep losing the connection. I don't know why. Buy high, sell higher. We're in the trends business, right? We don't get married to anything. We date, right? So again, if the price is here and it drops down, that's fine to buy the dip, but you better have support underneath. If you don't, you got to let that thing go until it goes up. So, all right, with that being said, guys, I'll see you. Appreciate you. Fucking losing all that shit, man. Kept losing my connection. I'm done.
Goaltender in because you're getting these 3-day rallies.
All right, guys. See you on YouTube as well.